and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you are new, consider subscribing. I post twice a week on Tuesday and on Friday. Leave a like on this video if you like it, and if you are returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know y'all are here. Okay, unfortunately, when I was actually editing this video, some reason my intro was gone, so I am here to kind of just go over CirKul. As you can tell by the title, that is what we're going to be reviewing. I don't have the box no more, but I have the later videos, so later on y'all will be able to see how the box looks and stuff. But I did get the trial version. I did subscribe again, so I'm gonna have another box coming. I will do that review, and then for CirKul there will not be no more reviews after that one. This is gonna be a trial box. This was $5 to start, and the next box that I got, it was $35 because I got some extras and stuff, and whenever that comes I will let y'all know how I ended up liking the bottle and all that kind of stuff. Just a little update on this video, but this video is literally just talking about the company and my first impressions of them. So with that being said, so I'm just going to ask some questions and then I'm basically going to answer it, just to make this intro pretty quick. Is this your first time using CirKul? Yes, it is my first time using CirKul. How did you come across CirKul? So first, I came across CirKul on Instagram. I saved it, like how you can kind of like, what is it, archive or chive it or something like that. You can save a post and go back to it later, so that's what I did, but I never went back to it. And then I found it on Facebook again, and I was like, you know what, let's just see what this company is about, basically. How long was shipping? So I bought it on Friday, May 8th. It shipped on Saturday, May 9th, which is the next day, and I received it on Thursday, May 14th. So not even a full week to get here. I got an email and everything, so when it was delivered, I was able to go get my bottle as soon as possible. What is CirKul about? So CirKul's bottle allows you to flavor your water sip by sip. Go from drinking plain water to drinking your favorite beverage, and back to drinking plain water again by the turn of a dial. CirKul was created to help you drink more water. Sometimes drinking enough water can be challenging, and their mission is to make drinking water convenient, delicious, and fun. So how much is CirKul? So CirKul, the trial again is $5. Which is basically the shipping cost. After the trial, there's monthly can't talk today. Their monthly why can't I say plan? Their monthly plan starts at 8 sips, which is the one that I got for the next time, which is $27 a month. They have a 16 sips for $49, 24 sips for $67, and 32 sips for $82, and 40 sips for $100 a month. So why choose CirKul? Flavorful. Choose refreshing fruity blends or rich coffees and teas. It's healthy. All natural flavors without any added coloring or dyes. 0 calories, no sugars, no carbs. It's custom. You are in full control of your flavor. Convenient, just add water and turn the dial. Affordable. Each CirKul sip will give you about 6 fill-ups on a medium setting. Eco-friendly, 84% less plastic, 99% less carbon emission from shipping. And yeah, so now let's get back into the video that I actually have of the unboxing. And here, this is how it looks. This is again the trial run. So we have the bottle here. This is how the bottle looks. This is our first trial flavor sip, which is the Fit Sip Replenishing Electrolyte Mixed Berry. And then we have So the first sip we have is Fit Sip Replenishing Electrolytes Mixed Berry. So this is how she looks. Alright. And then our second sip is the Life Sip. So the first one was Fit Sip. This is the Life Sip Nourishing Vitamins. It's fruit punch. So this is how she looks. I love fruit punch. So I think I'm probably going to do the fruit punch one. Also comes with this, which kind of just tells you how to use it, pro tips, and life in the inner circle. So it lets you know their Facebook probably. Yeah. So also they have this on the side. And this side, this is what this looks like. Okay. And then also on the box it says happy hydrating. Now, what water are you waiting for? Take a sip. And then it has some quotes in there. I really like the attention to this box. Like, they really utilize this box to put everything they really wanted in this box there. So okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a second to read the instructions and then we'll be back. Okay, so we got the water and I put ice in there. So I didn't show a close-up of the bottle. So it says CirKul on the top, it's blue, and then on the bottle it says CirKul on both sides. And the top comes with nothing on it, so you have to put your sip. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do the mixed berry or the fruit punch, but I think I'm gonna do the fruit punch because I really like fruit punch. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm guessing the sip is this is what this is. The sip is gonna be what actually. Wow, that's strong. Smells good. So yeah, the sip is the actual drinking top. So let me show you that. This is what the sip looks like. There we go. Just like this. So what we're gonna do, I wonder if there's like markings. So I'm just gonna put it in and twist it just like you're closing a water bottle cap. Just so y'all can see, I put the sip in. So the top, it shows the flavor you're on. Right now we're on X, so only water will be coming out. Straight water will be coming out of the top. As you move it towards flavor, hold on, you will see the dial starting to move as well. And it goes all the way up to wide open, 5 marked as halfway point. So that's what they say. You can get 6 refills of this on the halfway point. The halfway point might be too much flavor for you. It could be less flavor. You just have to mess around with the dial. So I'm gonna test it out on the halfway point because that is what they advertise. And I'm very okay. So my one complaint was gonna be the top opens on the wrong side and I couldn't change it, but you can actually twist the actual top part around as well without changing the dial setting, so that's good. Okay, so now I am going to try it on 5. Oh, I'm scared. Wow. Wow, that tastes just like fruit punch. Yeah, 5 is a good flavor. I almost kind of want to go down a little bit, as it's kind of strong, even on 5 for me. And I'm like used to soda, so that's kind of weird for me to say that. So they say they don't have artificial flavors or artificial colors. In their ad, it showed like the bottle being tipped over and like water pouring out a different color. So I kind of want to see if that does that on this, or does it come out white? Come out. Yeah, it doesn't come out flowy like the picture, so I'm thinking it was just the ad. This might be gross, but I'm gonna put it in my mouth and then take it out. Yeah, it comes out clear, so that's cool. So they probably just did it as like a visual representation. So I probably won't be doing a reoccurring video for this, so just so y'all know. But I will show y'all the next month, because since this is the trial, you only get 2 sips, but the monthly you get 8 sips, so which is what I got. That's the lowest you can get, so the least you'll be paying for this box is $27. And then you can go up from there, like if you have a family and stuff like that. If you want the whole family to join in on the fun, then you'll probably want to get more sips. But yeah, so the trial run, they don't let you pick your flavors. They just send you the default fruit punch and mixed berry. But when you actually subscribe, you will be able to pick all of them, and just know it will automatically re-enroll you if you don't cancel after your trial. So after that 7 days, they will charge you for your month until you cancel. So just know that. So if you do just want to try it and then want to cancel it after, just remember to cancel it as soon as it ships. Otherwise, they will charge you for it. So yeah, I did want to try it out again just for video purposes. So I will be getting the next month so y'all can see how it is. Okay, guys? So hopefully that was informative enough. And hopefully I kind of explained it well. If you have any questions, just comment it down below and I will respond back to you. And that is it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.